Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today we are unboxing the Google Nest Hub. They announced it back at Google I/O a couple of months ago, but the Google Nest Hub has finally launched here in India today. While I'm working on my review, here's a quick unboxing just to show you what's inside. Alright, so the box is your usual Google-y box with the picture of the product right there. That shows you with the Nest Hub branding. You also have a quick look at some of the partners that they have on board, including Ghana and a couple others. Alright, so yeah, let's get to unboxing this. Alright, so you open up the box and the first thing you see is obviously the Google Nest Hub right over there. And it's much smaller than I actually expected it to be. Wow, this is kind of cute. So cute. Alright, so I'm going to be checking this out over the next couple of days. You can see the resemblance with the Google Home Mini with that little fabric right over there. If you guys have any questions about it, please let me know right in the comment section below. Alright, moving on from this. Let's see what else we have in there. Alright, first up you have the charger, and it's a very cute charger, just like the Google Home Mini charger. Nice little circle there. Again, very googly. So that's the charger. And lastly, you have the usual documentation on how to get started. First up, connect the power to your Google Nest Hub and switch it on and connect it to Wi-Fi. And a couple bits of warranty information. I should also mention that if you buy the Google Nest Hub in India, you also get the Xiaomi Mi Security Camera 1080p. This is actually pretty cool because you can use this as a kind of a baby monitor, or maybe you can just use this to check out as a proper security camera, or maybe you can just look at what's going on in your living room from your bedroom, or what's going on in your bedroom from your living room. I mean, you know, it's cool to have this. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Google Nest Hub launched in India today. As always, if you guys have any questions about it, please let me know right in the comment section below, or you can just directly message me right over on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.